Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Rumble Rush. We are at Super Bosses 31 to 35 in this video, and the Super Bosses go on until Super Boss number 50. So I hope we can do not bad here. Since it's Super Boss number 31, I don't care anymore. We will use any Pokemon from any island. Let's just do this. This is my Mienshao from, I forgot where already. Giving him a grappler. Giving him a superpower gear. And let us battle. Chansey! Chansey! Oh my goodness. Oh, mistake. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And goodbye. Super Boss number 31 is dead. We don't exactly care about defeating Pokemon or defeating the Super Bosses using Pokemon from the past sea already, guys. Or this sea, rather. Pokemon from this sea. We don't exactly care about that anymore. This is Super Boss number 32, Golem. And he's weak to my current equip. I also have Love Disc, which knows Hydro Pump. We're just gonna try this first. And also he's weak to Earthquake. I think I'll use Earthquake instead. And just give him a Leaf Blade gear. This is gonna be fun. This is my favorite Pokemon for farming, guys. Very, very quick. Earthquake plus Snappy. Hoping that I get a stronger Pokemon with Earthquake soon. Because this Tyrant isn't exactly the strongest Pokemon. I mean, his CP I think is 2000 something only. I believe I can get a 3000 plus CP Pokemon with Earthquake. Hoping we are able to get one very soon. Because Earthquake, very, very useful and very powerful. It's also one of the Pokemon that helped me a lot in Battle Royale. And same thing, Jolteon is weak to Earthquake. Super Boss number 23 is gonna die quite fast. Quite fast. Jolteon, let's switch our Summon gear, switch to Earthquake. Or Magnitude. Magnitude, where are you? There you go. Wait a minute, can we upgrade? Oh my gosh, guys, we can actually upgrade Magnitude to level 5. The sad thing is we don't exactly have enough. Oh my goodness, we don't have enough, guys. We don't have enough. How many can we actually upgrade to level 5 right now? Surf gear, no. Let's swap by super rares, or sort by super rares. Psychic, worthless. I don't have anything that will make him stronger. Upgrade, level 3 is the limit. Thunder Gear, limit level 3. X-Scissor, level 3 limit. Let's just ignore that. Ignore Dragon Claw Gear. We can upgrade to level 5. We have enough items for that. So many things to think about. Anyway, Super Boss number 33 is gonna die quickly. Nothing to worry about. Earthquake is our best friend. 6, 7, 8. Are you gonna charge towards me? Yes, you are. I might die. It's okay. It's okay. We survived. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's just get hit anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dead. Super Boss Jolteon number 33 is dead. Awesome. This is Super Boss number 34. It's a Venusaur. Weak to Hurricane Gear. Weak to Fire Fang. Fire Fang. We're gonna use Fire Fang. Because Fire Fang doesn't need to be charged initially. And we have quite a strong fire type, Magmar. We're gonna use Magmar with Fire Blast. We're gonna give him a... Not sure these don't exactly work as well as I hope. It's not Lubber, it's not Grappler, it's something in between. And as I said, Fire Fang. In battle, Super Boss number 34. Poliwrath. Oh, frick. Stupid. Stupid me, guys. Let's repeat. I shouldn't have killed them with a normal move. Again. Should use Fire Fang immediately. There you go. He's gonna shield. I am going to charge. 1, 2. Should probably charge this. 5, 6. To be safe. And goodbye. 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 That was Super Boss number 34, guys. So far, so good. Super Boss number 35 is a Dragonite. Dragonite, Dragon type, weak to electric if it's flying type as well. Is Dragonite also a flying type? Or not? Yes! And he's not weak to electric. I failed. Weak to ice though. Charge boost is good. We're gonna give him an Outrage Gear Dragon. Good thing about Outrage, you don't need to charge it. You can use it immediately, like Fire Fang. I love those types of summon gears. They give you a nice head start. Ow! Frick! Hey, where is the other one? Charge boost. 3, 4. After playing, Coin Rush, using this guy, Mamoswine, for the longest time, you will kind of get an idea how many charge attacks you can deal before the opponent recovers. And Dragonite is dead, guys. Forgot if this is 34 or 35. I think this is 35. And if this is 35, that is it for this video. Let's quickly check. Is this Super Boss 35? My memory is not working properly. My brain is not working properly. Yes, that is 35, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't. Guys, I'm excited about that Pokemon Power Range you can see over here. I hope it reaches 4,000 plus. And with that said, I'll see you in the next video.